Hmm. So stupid. What's the point? What is the point of hiccups? Do I have any scientists who are fans? Medical experts? If you're a medical expert and you can tell me why we have hiccups, write me at Miss P. Can't even say my email address without getting interrupted. Another loud one. If you can explain to me why we get hiccups, email me, missp@sexypandora.com. Okay? MISSP@sexypandora.com. I just really want to know. Because if you ask me, they seem pointless. They just seem like really annoying. It's like mosquitoes that I'm not sure why they exist. I'm sure they have a reason because there's purpose in nature, but hiccups makes no sense.